What's up, fam? In today's review, I definitely want to show you guys something good for traveling, so stay tuned and keep on watching. All right, you guys, so this is by a company called Triped or Trepid is how I want to say it, and it comes packaged like so I did want to show you guys that. Really neat, really cool. You ain't got to worry about your stuff getting wet in the rain. So right off the bat, they come in multiple colors. So I chose to get, I guess you could call it the mountain views and all that other stuff, like the actual travel kit of different places you could go. So let's go ahead and get into those details before we open up these bags and see how much stuff fits inside. So this is the first baggie, and this is gonna make your bag so much more organized, honey. You have no idea. All your stuff in one location, all nicely bagged off. Perfect. So this is the first bag you have right here. You see that has the name, which is like Sequoia. Design is only on the front, not in the back. The second bag, I think this is so cute. I really like this one. You got the buffalo on there, and as you can see in the back, that's why I was having little words with how you might pronounce this. It's either Tripid or Triped. So I want to say Tripid because we're going on a trip, honey, okay? Like, this is for traveling. So here you have Yellowstone. So that's what I meant by different places to travel. So this is the official traveling set is how I feel. And then you've got the Grand Canyon right here. So I'm absolutely loving this. And their stuff seems pretty heavy duty, pretty sturdy. I like the design of the bag. I like that you've got the handle right here and everything else. We're gonna get into all the details, honey, but I had to show you the designs first, because that is what caught my eye. So this is TUNNED, and don't ask me where these places are now, but it's sounding like these are places we need to actually go, honey. And I'm loving the little deer on there, the deer antlers and all that good stuff. It's giving mountain vibes, somewhere cold maybe. We don't want to go in the cold, but somewhere cold, that's what I want to say. And then this bag right here, this is Yosemite. That is what this bag is looking like. And once again, they all have their name on the back. So this one has little deer antlers as well. And then we have the arches. This is a pretty color, y'all. So you don't have to get this set, but I'm just letting you know what set I got, and I'm absolutely here for it. So let's go ahead and get into this bag, since this is the bag we're on right now. So you do have your zipper function, and this is heavy duty zipper, y'all. It's like a really good zipper. So you see right here, that's your expander. Almost like a suitcase, honey. You know, like when you go to the airport and stuff like that, and you've got your one zipper that actually opens the bag and the second zipper to expand it because you done packed too much stuff and now you gotta open it a little. That's what this is right here. So you have that. And then the other zipper, of course, as soon as I find it, here we go. The other zipper, of course, will be the opening part. So you pack as much stuff as you want in here. This is pretty good room, y'all. This is a really good room, and this is one of their smaller bags. So I'll just hold it up against me. Maybe you guys can get an idea of how big it is. So from head to top of the breast area, that's a pretty big bag for travel. So I like it. And then you stuff as much clothes as you want in here, and then you go ahead and compress it with the zipper that we have right here to close it down some, if you can, honey. So don't overstuff, don't overstuff. But yes, y'all, all of these bags have those zipper designs. Look at the zipper detailing right there. As you can see, the zipper is very heavy duty. This is a really good made bag. It's very well made, and I'm absolutely here for that. So you guys can see the little rubber zipper handle. Another thing that I like I said before, was this part right here, the carry-on handle. Let's say you pack too much stuff in your bag and you don't actually have any more room for anything. You can just go ahead and walk with this in your hand, honey, and you're good to go. It shouldn't be that heavy. So you can put your toiletries in here, and remember, toiletries can only be 3.4 ounces, okay? Okay. So they shouldn't be that big, and they should definitely all fit in here. The next bag design is this one, and I love this one. So this is one of those where you can just push it open like so. It's giving a hint of a laundry bag is what I want to say. I would definitely use this for my dirty clothes and stuff like that. So let's say when you go traveling, and you know how it is, because I know how it is. So what I normally would do is use a Ziploc bag. Honey, that is so ghetto. Let's get out of those eras, okay? So we're gonna step up our game with this, and this has the little hooks on the side right here. So all you're gonna have to do is hook them in together, and it is sealed, baby. So check this out. It's sealed perfect. This is a perfect little hamper right here. I'm absolutely in love with this. And this one is pretty big, so you're getting a lot of room. I would definitely say this is good for putting your underwears in. This is definitely good for putting bras and things of that nature that might be dirty. Because unless your shirt is really tiny, then I would definitely put it in here. Let's say you spill some juice or some wine or whatever, you were out for the night, honey, and that shirt is rank, throw it in here, okay? And then once you're done, you can just clasp it like so, and you're done. Throw it in the corner until you're ready to go back home, okay? So this bag right here is the only bag that is different from the rest. And this is pretty much your toiletry bag. The reason why I say that this one is your toiletry bag is because of the way that it's shaped. Now it can also be shaped for shoes as well, because after looking at the bag, it looks like a shoe shape. So you can go ahead and put your shoes in here, zip them up. You don't have to worry about dust or debris or anything getting into your shoes. And that is perfect. It'll just hang like so. You can hang these up in your closet. So cute. But I also think it could be a toiletry bag as well, because we can do it this way as well and put all of our nice toiletries in there. And I wish that I could go ahead and pack some things in here, honey, but I can't. And you're probably like, why can't you pack some things in there to show us? My leg is busted, so therefore I can't go upstairs and get my toiletries. I would love to show you guys how to stuff and pack your essentials in here, which will probably be another video, but I'm gonna save that for when I actually go traveling, and I can't wait to use these bags. So baby, I hoped that this video helped you decide on whether or not these bags are right for you, but if they're not, they're still definitely right for travel, okay? And once again, they come in multiple colors and designs. So you don't have to pick this one, but I did. And I will see you guys in my next review. Bye.